Hey there, I'm going to take you through how to connect AirPods to your iPhone. So I have my AirPods here. They haven't been connected to this phone yet. They have been connected to another device of mine though, but this phone, it will be like they're new. So all you're going to do is make sure these are charged and make sure you have them charged once you open them out of the box. Then you're going to open them up and then just have them near your phone. And you're just going to wait a moment and then you're going to get a pop-up on your phone saying not your AirPods because these are connected to another one of my devices, but it'll look very similar. It'll say connect the AirPods to phone, and you're just going to hit connect. And then it's going to ask me to hold this button on the back of the AirPods. So I'm just going to hold that. And then it's connecting. And there you go. It's done. So now they're connected, and just hit done. And now if you went to settings, in Bluetooth, you can see them connected in here now. And now all your audio should come through these. That's it.